And in another interesting update, responding to the defeat in Bihar polls, RJD leader Shivnand Tiwari slammed Congress party and blamed its ally for the loss. Shivanand also urged Rahul Gandhi to stop acting like a dictator and take leadership lessons from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The RJD leader expressed concerns over Congress's role as an ally in the polls, saying that Rahul Gandhi is busy going on picnic and that the grand old party needs grave introspection. That's the latest attack coming in. And now, while taking a jibe at former Congress President Rahul Gandhi, Union Minister and BJP leader Giriraj Singh has also quoted statements of RJD's Shivanand Tiwari and has stated that Congress allies are speaking against their own party leader. In fact, he also shared the video of Shivanand Tiwari and in which he can clearly be seen saying that senior RJD leader, while slamming Rahul Gandhi's picnic rallies and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's absence in Bihar election campaign, has now said that it is because of the Congress party that the Mahagathbandhan could perhaps not form the next government in Bihar. The BJP is now referring to those statements and once again hitting out at Congress and how it does need introspection as well. Prakash, my senior colleague, continues to be with us. Prakash, a lot of infighting, a lot of dissent that we've been seeing within the Congress, but now the RJD also coming out in public domain, speaking against the Congress. Only 17 seats is what the Congress could give the Mahagathbandhan, is why we're seeing so many critical reactions coming in now. Prakash.
Well, yes, the Congress party's dismal performance has raised a voice of dissent within the RJD, as well as the insiders in the Congress also feel that the Congress party did not perform well. Out of the 70 seats it contested, Congress won 19 seats only, and the RJD feels that that was the reason why they fell short of the majority mark of 122. And as a result of that, Akhilesh Yadav is not too inclined on allying with the Congress party in near future in the run-up to the 2022 UP Vidhan Sabha elections. And Shivanand Tiwari also taking a jibe that Narendra Modi, who is 70-year-old, campaigned for the NDA aggressively and did 12 rallies, whereas Rahul Gandhi was holidaying in a picnic mode. Priyanka Gandhi was absent from the scene. And that's a telling remark and a telling blow from the RJD to the Congress party. And it seems that the Congress and the RJD tie-up in the future looks bleak, and the RJD as well as different parties across different parts of the country will not trust the Congress because of a vacuum in the leadership. Back to you.
Yes. Well, Prakash, you know, that's the sentiment that one can see not just within the Congress now, but several leaders of the Mahagathbandhan coming out and strongly criticizing the Congress. So they've criticized the Congress as far as its performance is concerned, but it goes back to the campaigning. Shivanand is also talking about how Rahul Gandhi perhaps lacked the zeal as far as the campaigning days are concerned, also highlighting how Priyanka Gandhi was completely missing. She was nowhere to be seen as far as the Bihar campaigning days are concerned.
That's a sad story of the Congress party, yes, and the allies have also realized that the Congress party is a burden, its leaders are a burden, and especially if the Congress party doesn't move out of the Gandhi family, its future is bleak. We have already seen crisis in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Sachin Pilot making an exit and thereafter coming back again. So there is a voice of dissent among the Congress party workers and the rank and file all across the country, because it has become a family party. And ever since Indira Gandhi took over the reins of Congress presidency, it has become a party of the families, whereas in other parties like the BJP, there's been a gradual transformation from one man to another, like in Bihar you see from Sushil Modi to Tarkishore Prasad becoming the deputy chief minister. That's a generational shift, but the Congress party doesn't allow that to happen. It's become like a regional party. As the regional Kshatrapis do, they operate like a private limited company. So the Congress party, the allies, feel that it's become like a private limited company in the hands of one family, and that is why is the main problem for the Congress party, because it is leaderless, there's a lot of vacuum, nobody is allowed to grow, and that is why leaders like Jyotiraditya Scindia left the party, whose father was a staunch Congress supporter, the stalwart of the Congress party. So the Congress party is not learning from its mistake, and that is why the
Congress party should certainly worry about this, Prakash. Why? Because not only are the allies now criticizing the Congress for what it's done as far as the Bihar elections are concerned, but also beginning to acknowledge Prime Minister Narendra Modi's contribution. Extremely worrisome for the Congress party, but many thanks for the moment. We leave it at that.